Welcome to Section 3 of the Complete Android N Developer course. Now that you're fairly familiar with the Android Studio interface and you know how Android apps are put together, we're going to take a deep dive into Java. So this means we'll be looking at the features of the programming language, including variables, arrays, and maps, and then going on to more advanced structures like if statements, loops, classes, and objects. But don't worry, it won't all be boring, dry code. We'll be writing real apps as well, including a higher or lower game and another app called Number Shapes. So there's a lot to learn, but once you've covered the basics of Java, you will be able to build far more advanced apps than we've built so far. At the same time, as always, I hope you're continuing to work through my book, How to Earn $10,000 While Learning to Code. And maybe by the end of this section, you'll have a list of 4 or 5 different apps that you might want to build. These don't have to be world-beating, money-making apps. They can just be simple ideas that you'd like to put together and then share with the world on Google Play. There's nothing like having a real app built and out there with users using it to encourage you to build more and, of course, to force you to learn things that you wouldn't necessarily need to know without building an actual app. So I hope that's going on in the background as well, and I hope you enjoy this section. I'll see you at the beginning of Section 4.